I want to give you a little bit of an insight into our training facility so that you can see what things are like here at the Leather Repair Company and what you could expect from a training course at LRC. So obviously this is where you come through here, the secret door here. We have obviously all the sort of chemicals that you need locked away in the correct storage metal cabinets. This is where the trainers themselves sit and assessors sit and make sure that everything is being done correctly as you would expect with a professional training course. So here we obviously start off the session with All About Leather, which is a slideshow, which is the beginning of any training course that we have. 2 or 3 or 4 day course always begins with the slideshow so that you can learn all about leather. That is one of the most important things, is to learn about leather. So we have all these different sort of leather skins here that you can go through and look at, and we have an abundance of skins here as well. There must be another 20 or 30 different types of skins here that we go through, and you literally feel, touch, and you identify those skins by looking at them and identifying them up against literature and details that you're given for your training session. So obviously trainees sit around here on all these workbenches. At the moment, due to COVID, we have, this is the next course that's coming up. So we have 3 trainees and we have them sitting 1 chair apart, obviously for COVID regulations. So obviously all trainees get like a nice sort of information pack when they arrive and all sorts of paraphernalia and goodies. And they obviously get all their kits as well. We've got various kits here. We've got this particular kit here that Gary's got. Nigela's got this particular kit, a small kit, and then Keith has got the large kit here as well, which comes in this sort of case. But everything you can see here is absolutely perfect. The courses now, I must say, are very different to anybody else's. Our courses are very, very hands-on. What you see in all these cupboards is your training aids. So whatever you see in any of these, from upholstery work that we go through, there's everything that you could possibly need in all of these cupboards. These are for you to use as trainees. This is all to do with the wood, UPVC and marble. There's absolutely everything in all of these cupboards to use. So it goes right the way through. This is all footwear and clothing and stuff like that, and so on and so forth. There's training kits around of ours that you will be using. This is the spray booth, which is where you'll be doing all the spraying work. So you will be literally spraying seats, your own seats, you'll be working on seats. It is extremely hands-on course. Now these cupboards here have an array of more materials in that you can just jump in these cupboards, utilise them and do everything. We've got hoovers so that you can vacuum leather seats off. We've got all sorts of sort of gadgets and pipes and things in here. In this particular cupboard we've got obviously cloths, sponges, masks and everything else, and different sort of cleaning solutions. All these are different paints that you can sort of get that we've mixed over the years. This is just a small selection of paints that's left over that we have here, of all different paints that you can get to use, with all the different sort of systems that we have here. And then we have like a multitude of sort of spray guns in here, as you can clearly see. Some really nice sort of spray guns. This is the DeVilbiss, which is another nice gun that we've just started using. The Iwata gun, it's a very, very nice gun. It's actually much superior to the DeVilbiss. Then we have all sorts of other guns here that people can get to use and get to know, and then we obviously have things like airbrushes and stuff like that. So there's absolutely everything and anything you can think of here at the Leather Repair Company. It is a very, very hands-on course. You can literally do leather graining work here, you can do cuts, tears, full recolours, change of colour, cleaning, you name it, you do it here on your training course. This is what is the beauty with our courses. You don't just get a pad of leather and you're sat at a bench and you've got to work on this tiny square piece of leather that's a foot square or whatever. And this is like you would be out doing a job. That's what we love about our courses. People say to us, I actually felt so at home. It feels like I'm actually working on a customer seat when I'm at your premises, because you've given us the best reality that you could ever possibly give somebody to have as a training course. So that's where it all takes place, guys. And don't forget, there's just an array of things here. All these sort of things here. We've got different things here. This is obviously all different types of leather that you can try to repair. All this is different tapes. This is all different types of papers. We've got all prepping solutions and products in here, and sandpapers and prepping pads. And then this is just an array of different brushes and things we have in here as well. Obviously a bin of old rags for cleaning. There's absolutely everything. We've got all your safety stuff in here with first aids, eye wash, alcohol hand gels. There's absolutely everything in here, obviously fire equipment and everything else. So we've got everything here for your safety, everything to do with colour mixing. We've got the lot. It is a very, very hands-on course. You are here at your workstations, working away on leather, repairing leather, your seats, as if it was your own seat or your customers. We just look forward to welcoming everybody to the Leather Repair Company's training courses. Thank you very much.